Welcome back to the Daily House Ideas, friends. Today, we're diving into something truly magical, creating a Christmas wonderland inspired by the iconic Emily Henderson's farmhouse aesthetic. We're talking about that perfect balance where classic charm dances with modern sophistication, all wrapped up in festive warmth. Whether you're just starting your holiday decorating journey or looking to elevate your existing farmhouse style, this guide will walk you through every corner of your home. If you love transforming spaces into cozy retreats, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. You won't want to miss a single design idea. Drop a comment below telling us your favorite farmhouse holiday tradition. Let's get started. Your farmhouse exterior sets the tone for the entire holiday experience. Think of it as your home's warm embrace to guests before they even step inside. Emily Henderson's approach celebrates architectural honesty, letting your home's natural beauty shine through thoughtful, unfussy additions. Consider a classic evergreen garland draped along your porch railings, punctuated with oversized burgundy velvet bows. Add lanterns with pillar candles flanking your front door, and perhaps a vintage wooden sled leaning casually against the facade. The key here is curated simplicity. Each element should feel intentional yet effortless, creating that coveted farmhouse charm that whispers rather than shouts. The farmhouse porch becomes your holiday stage, and layering is your secret weapon. Start with a substantial wreath on your front door. Opt for mixed greenery, including eucalyptus, pine, and cedar for dimensional interest. Flank the entrance with galvanized metal buckets filled with evergreen branches and birch logs. Consider adding a weathered wooden bench with plaid cushions and a cozy throw blanket casually draped over one side. This creates what designers call a vignette, a carefully arranged grouping that tells a story. String warm white Edison bulb lights overhead for that magical twinkle factor. The beauty of farmhouse style is embracing natural materials and letting weathered finishes add character rather than perfection. Your entryway works overtime during the holidays, so let's make it both beautiful and functional. Install a rustic coat rack or wall-mounted hooks in matte black or aged brass, perfect for hanging winter coats, scarves, and Santa hats. Below, place a reclaimed wood bench with built-in storage for boots and shoes, topped with festive cushions in buffalo check or herringbone patterns. Add a large round mirror with a simple black frame above to bounce light and create space. On a narrow console table, style a wooden tray with keys bowls and a small potted paper white narcissus for fresh holiday fragrance. Layer 2 doormats, a larger jute one underneath with a festive Merry Christmas coir mat on top for practical charm. The farmhouse living room is where Emily Henderson's philosophy truly shines, comfort without sacrificing style. Anchor your space with a neutral linen sofa, then layer in holiday textures through pillows and throws. Choose a color palette that feels both festive and sophisticated: creamy whites, warm grays, deep forest greens, and touches of cognac leather. Your coffee table becomes a focal point. Style it with a wooden dough bowl filled with mixed metallics ornaments, fresh eucalyptus sprigs, and pillar candles in varying heights. The term high-low mixing applies perfectly here. Pair affordable Target finds with one statement vintage piece. This approach creates depth and personality that pure catalog styling simply can't achieve. Let's talk about the star of your living room, the Christmas tree. Emily Henderson favors a less is more approach that feels refreshingly modern. Choose a flocked tree for that snow-kissed farmhouse feel, or go natural and embrace its organic imperfections. Decorate with a cohesive but not matchy-matchy palette, wood bead garlands, linen ribbon in wide loops, velvet bows, and mixed metallic ornaments in matte gold and brushed silver. Skip the perfectly symmetrical placement. Instead, cluster ornaments in groups for visual interest. Add oversized jingle bells and dried orange slices for natural texture. Top with a simple burlap or a linen bough rather than a traditional star. The tree skirt? A chunky cable knit throw or natural woven basket creates that effortless farmhouse vibe. If your living room has a fireplace, the mantel becomes prime real estate for holiday styling. Start with a lush evergreen garland as your foundation, weaving in eucalyptus for that sage green sophistication Emily Henderson loves. Tuck in battery-operated fairy lights for subtle sparkle. Layer in varying heights using candlesticks. Mix materials like turned wood, aged brass, and matte black for collected over time character. Add personal touches. Vintage family photos in mismatched frames, small brass animals, or a weathered wooden sign with a simple holiday message. Hang stockings from cast iron hooks rather than traditional clips. Choose natural linen or wool in neutral tones with leather name tags. The goal is curated casualness, not rigid symmetry. Your farmhouse dining room should feel like an invitation to linger over long meals and good conversation. Center your table with a reclaimed wood runner or leave the beautiful wood grain exposed. Farmhouse style celebrates natural materials. Create a centerpiece using a long wooden trough filled with mixed greenery, white candles, and scattered pine cones. Choose dinnerware in classic white or cream with subtle texture. This versatility allows your table to transition easily from Christmas to everyday use. Layer in glassware with vintage appeal and flatware in matte gold or black. For napkins, linen is non-negotiable. Fold simply and secure with twine and a sprig of rosemary for aromatic elegance. Consider mismatched vintage chairs around your table for personality. The farmhouse kitchen is truly the soul of holiday entertaining. Even without a renovation, you can create Emily Henderson-worthy holiday magic. Style open shelving with white dishes interspersed with small evergreen arrangements in vintage crocks. Swap regular kitchen towels for festive linen ones in subtle holiday patterns. Think tiny trees or simple stripes rather than cartoon characters. On your counters, style a vintage cutting board against the backsplash with fresh greenery tucked behind. Near your coffee station, add a small potted rosemary tree shaped like a Christmas tree. It's festive, fragrant, and functional for cooking. Hang a simple evergreen wreath on your range hood or above the sink. Replace barstool cushions with buffalo check or plaid for instant holiday transformation. Let's focus on those smaller kitchen moments that create holiday magic. Your refrigerator doesn't need decoration, but the space beside it does. Lean a vintage wooden ladder against the wall and drape it with tea towels, small wreaths, and battery-operated string lights. Your stove area deserves attention too. Place a long wooden tray on the stovetop when not cooking, styled with white candles, greenery, and a small vintage scale. The coffee corner becomes a microbar station. Arrange your small coffee machine on a wooden tray with festive mugs in cream and sage green, a small glass jar of cinnamon sticks, and a tiny cutting board with holiday cookies. These thoughtful details show intentionality without overwhelming your functional workspace. The family room needs to balance style with serious comfort and durability. This is where farmhouse meets modern family life. Arrange seating to create conversation areas, rather than everyone facing the flat-screen TV. Add a chunky knit poof for flexible seating and texture. Style the media console with symmetrical balance. Matching white ceramic trees flanking the TV, small stacks of coffee table books, and a wooden bead garland casually draped. Incorporate holiday throw pillows in performance fabrics. Yes, they exist in beautiful patterns. Add a faux fur throw over the sofa arm for instant coziness. The area rug grounds everything. Choose natural jute or sisal with a festive runner layered on top. String simple greenery garland along the ceiling beams if you have them. Even your workspace deserves holiday cheer without distraction. If your home office shares space with other areas, create definition through thoughtful styling. Choose a simple wooden desk with clean lines. Farmhouse doesn't mean ornate. Add a small vintage radio on a corner for background holiday music. Position a unique small desk clock with brass details for functional elegance. Above your desk, hang a simple bulletin board framed in reclaimed wood, where you can pin holiday cards as they arrive. On the desk, Keep a small white ceramic tree and a pencil holder made from a vintage tin. Add a comfortable linen desk chair cushion in a subtle holiday plaid. The key is maintaining productivity while acknowledging the season. Festive, not distracting. Create a reading nook that beckons you to curl up with hot cocoa and a good book. This requires just a cozy corner, not an entire room. Position a comfortable upholstered chair, think wingback or slipper chair in neutral linen, near a window if possible. Layer with a cable knit throw blanket and pillows in various textures, velvet, wool, and linen. Add a small side table in natural wood for your mug and books. Style with a simple white ceramic tree lamp and a small stack of vintage holiday books. Hang a wreath at different heights on the wall behind for visual interest. Place a woven basket nearby filled with extra blankets and magazines. This becomes your hygge corner, that Danish concept of cozy contentment perfect for farmhouse living. Your bedroom should be a peaceful retreat from holiday hustle. Emily Henderson's farmhouse bedroom aesthetic favors restraint and natural materials. Dress your bed in white or cream linen bedding. Layer with a chunky knit throw at the foot and Euro pillows in textured fabrics. Add just 2 subtle holiday touches. A simple greenery arrangement on your nightstand in a white ceramic vase, and perhaps swap your regular throw pillows for ones in sage green velvet or soft plaid. On your dresser, create a small vignette with white candles, a wooden tray, and a sprig of eucalyptus. Hang a simple wreath with white berries above the bed or on the closet door. The goal is whisper, don't shout. You want to feel the season without visual overwhelm in your rest space. Let's add those finishing bedroom details that elevate your holiday farmhouse aesthetic. Replace your lampshades with linen ones if you haven't already. They diffuse light beautifully and feel elevated. On your bedside table, place books you actually want to read during the holidays, topped with a small brass or wooden tray for your phone and jewelry. Add a vintage alarm clock for charm. Consider swapping artwork temporarily. Lean a framed vintage botanical print of winter greenery against the wall on your dresser. Hang stockings from your footboard if you have young children, using small brass clips. Place a sheepskin rug beside the bed for cozy morning foot landings. Keep window treatments simple. Natural linen panels let in winter light while maintaining privacy and softness. Transform your bathroom into a spa-like retreat with minimal but impactful holiday touches. At your wastafel, that's the Dutch word for sink basin. Swap regular hand soap for one in a glass bottle with holiday scent like pine or eucalyptus mint. Roll white towels and place them in a wire basket on the counter with a sprig of eucalyptus tucked in. In the shower area, hang a eucalyptus bundle from the shower head. The steam releases its aromatherapy benefits naturally. Add a small white ceramic tree on a floating shelf. Keep a woven basket under the sink with holiday-scented candles and extra towels. Choose bath mats in natural colors, cream or warm gray, that complement rather than scream Christmas. The farmhouse bathroom celebrates cleanliness, simplicity, and natural materials over themey decoration. Let's not forget the farmhouse garage. It's not just for cars, but for organized holiday living. Emily Henderson would advocate for systems that are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Install open shelving units in black metal or natural wood for storing holiday decor bins, but choose bins in neutral colors like canvas or woven materials rather than plastic. Create a mudroom area within your garage with wall hooks for each family member, a bench with baskets underneath for shoes, and a small table for package deliveries. Hang a pegboard painted in warm white for tools and seasonal items. Add a vintage wooden ladder leaning against the wall for hanging wreaths or garlands before bringing them inside. Even string simple cafe lights along the ceiling to make the space feel welcoming when arriving home during dark winter evenings. Your farmhouse patio extends your living space, even in winter. Start by defining the space with an outdoor rug in natural jute that can withstand weather. Arrange weatherproof furniture, metal chairs with neutral cushions or a wooden bench. Add throw blankets in waterproof fabric for unexpected warm winter days. String cafe lights or Edison bulbs overhead in a zigzag pattern for magical ambience. Create a centerpiece for your outdoor table using a galvanized metal container filled with evergreen branches, pine cones, and battery-operated fairy lights. Hang a large wreath on your patio door or exterior wall. If you have a fire pit, surround it with Adirondack chairs and stack firewood neatly nearby. Add lanterns with pillar candles around the space for flickering warmth during evening gatherings. Let's talk about the color theory that ties everything together in Emily Henderson's Farmhouse holiday aesthetic. Your palette should flow seamlessly from room to room, creating a cohesive journey through your home. Stick to a foundation of whites, creams, warm grays, and natural wood tones. These are your neutrals. Then layer in your accent colors: deep forest green, muted sage, cognac brown, touches of matte brass, and perhaps one unexpected element like dusty blue or burgundy used sparingly. This restrained palette approach prevents your home from feeling chaotic or overwhelming. Each room can emphasize different ratios of these colors while maintaining the overall harmony. Remember, farmhouse style isn't about matching everything perfectly. It's about creating a collected, lived-in feeling with intentional color choices. Lighting makes or breaks holiday ambience, so let's master the layering technique. Start with your ambient lighting. Overhead fixtures should have warm-toned bulbs, never cool white. Add task lighting at functional areas, pendant lights over kitchen islands, reading lamps in nooks. But the magic happens with accent lighting. String lights woven through garlands, pillar candles in varying heights, battery-operated votives and lanterns. Emily Henderson favors what designers call warm white temperature, around 2700 K, which mimics candlelight and creates instant coziness. Add dimmer switches if possible to control mood. Place lights at different heights throughout rooms, low on mantels, high on trees, mid-level on shelves. The goal is creating what cinematographers call motivated lighting, light that appears to come from natural sources and creates depth and warmth. Friends, we've journeyed through every corner of your farmhouse, transforming it into an Emily Henderson-inspired holiday haven where classic charm embraces modern sensibility. Remember, the true beauty of farmhouse style lies in its authenticity. Don't stress about perfection. Choose elements that resonate with your family's story. Mix high and low, embrace natural materials, and always prioritize comfort alongside beauty. The goal isn't to create a magazine spread, but a home filled with warmth, laughter, and cherished memories. Start with one room and build from there. If this guide inspired you, please hit that like button and subscribe to the Daily House Ideas for weekly design inspiration. We're here for your entire design journey. Drop a comment telling us which room you're tackling first. Happy decorating, and here's to a beautiful, cozy holiday season in your farmhouse haven.